If you spend more than 2 hours of screen time a day, you're gonna need to do this routine. Go ahead, check your screen time. It's a lot more than you thought, isn't it? I'm the first to admit, as a content creator, I am on the screen a lot. Here are 3 exercises that I do to avoid eye strain after many hours on the screen. The first one is called palming. So I'll rub my palms together for about 15 to 20 seconds or until my hands are warm. And then I'll close my eyes and gently place my palms on my eyes. I'll keep them on my eyes for about a minute or 2. It feels absolutely amazing. The second one is eye rolling. So I'll close my eyes and I'll roll my eyes in a circle. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just slowly rolling my eyes. It's almost like giving your eyes a little massage. And the third one is visual scanning. So I'll look all over the room for different objects and I'll focus on it one at a time. The idea is to focus on an object that's close by, then focus on another object that's further. I'll do that with different objects all around the room. And finally, as I'm working, I try to follow the 10-10-10 rule. Every 10 minutes, I focus on something that's 10 feet away for 10 seconds. As always, I hope these tips help you too.